What's up, everybody? Got another video here for you. Today we are going to simplify these radicals here. We've got the square root of xy times the cube root of 2xy. Alright, so we have a few properties with exponents. We've got, not exponents, but radicals. We've got the nth root of a times the nth root of b is equal to the nth root of ab. So what that's saying is that if you have two radicals that have the same index, you can multiply what's underneath the radicals and put it under one radical. And then we have some more properties that says a to the m over n is equal to the nth root of a, all that raised to the m, or you can write it like this, the nth root of a to the m. So it doesn't matter this. Notice the denominator of the fraction, that's the index, okay? And then the numerator is what it's raised to. So you can raise the entire radical to that power, or you can raise the number underneath to that power. And then we have another one that says a to the m raised to the n is equal to a to the m times n. So if you got a to the m and then that's all raised to a power, you multiply the exponents. And then of course a to the m times a to the n is equal to a to the m plus n. So if you're multiplying, you've got exponents and you're multiplying, you have like bases, you add the exponents. All right, so let's see what we can do about multiplying these together. All right, so I want to multiply the xy here times the 2xy over here. But notice to do that, I have to have the same index on the radical. Here I have a 3. See, here my index is 3. And here there's not an index showing. That's understood to be a 2 for square root. Okay. So the first thing I want to do is let's see about changing these to rational exponents, where exponents are fractions. Let's go from radical form to exponential form. So this first one is going to be xy, all of that raised to the 1/2, times 2xy, all of that raised to the 1/3. Okay? All right. So remember, in order for me to multiply what's underneath the radicals, I've got to get the indexes the same. The index, this part right here. So let me ask you this. What is the index? The index of the radical is the denominator of the fraction. It's this part right here. This 3 and this 2. Okay? So what I can do there is I can say xy times 2xy, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a common denominator of these two. So I get a common denominator. The common denominator of 2 and 3 is 6. So remember how to build up fractions. So if I look at this 2 right here, what do I got to multiply to 2 to get this common denominator of 6? Well, I got to multiply it times 3. So 3 times 1 is 3. I got to multiply that 3 times the numerator. And then here, what I got to multiply to this 3 to get 6? Well, that I got to multiply it by 2. So I got to multiply 2 to this numerator here. So that would give me 2. All right. All right, now let's change these back to radical form. So this is going to be the 6th root of xy. Now remember, I can put my exponent, this 3 here, this numerator, I can put it outside, or I can raise the part underneath the radical to that power. And I'm going to raise the part underneath And then that's going to be times the 6th root of 2xy squared. All right, so we have another property here that we've got to use. Remember, if we have a times b raised to the n, that's equal to a to the n times b to the n. You raise each factor here to this exponent out here. So the x and the y both get raised to the 3rd power. So that's going to be the 6th root of x cubed y cubed times, and that's going to be the 6th root of 2 squared times x squared times y squared. So this is going to give me the 6th root of x cubed y cubed times the 6th root of 4, okay, x squared y squared, because we get 2 squared is 4. All right, so now we're ready to multiply. So that's going to be the 6th root of x cubed y cubed times 4 times x squared y squared. And so this is going to give us, remember, if you're multiplying, you have like bases, you add the exponents. So that's going to be the 6th root. I'm going to put the 4 first. That's x cubed plus 2. I've got 3 plus the 2, and that's going to be y cubed plus 2. And so this is going to be the 6th root of 4x to the 5th, y to the 5th. And there's your answer. All right. So I hope you enjoyed that video. Check out my other videos. Give me a like, share, subscribe, comment, and I will see y'all in the next one. Later.